today I'm going to show you how to make an octagon out of these little magnet balls. I don't really know what they're called, actually, so leave a comment saying what they're actually called. So this is just, the good thing about them is you don't need a ton to make whatever you want, but I'm going to use a lot. This is just a little to show you what they look like. So what you're going to do first to make your octagon is you're going to take a little ball and you're going to try to make it and make a long string. Okay? Now I already have some that were kind of pre-made, I guess. So we can make a really big one. So yeah, you can have as long as a string as you want. Okay, so just big string. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take it and you're gonna take two. Gonna take them off. Okay, so two. And then you're gonna do that. Connect it together so that, technical difficulties. Okay, new way of doing it. Just take two and fold it over. So it's a little square at the end of a big string. So then you're going to take it and you're going to you're going to take it and you're going to connect it to the other side and the other side, and then just keep going. It does take a while if you want to make it super big, so I might just, so it's not bored for you guys that are watching, I might just cut off the end so you guys don't get bored. Just watch me do over and over and over. Just kind of getting stuck somewhere. Okay, I'm kind of almost done. Not really, but. And sometimes you'll get little holes. You can just go to the end and then just put your fingernail in it and take one off and leave the hole, but it doesn't happen a ton. Maybe it happens once or twice per, octagon. See, look. There's a little hole. I can just take one off. And it kind of just, if you drop it, it kind of just goes on its own. So, yeah. Oh, got another little hole. So actually I misspoke, and this is actually a pentagon. I'm sorry, but I accidentally misspoke. So it only has 5 sides, not 8. Oh, 6. Again, I misspoke. It has 6 sides, not 5, and not 8. So, yeah, I'm sorry. Almost done. Sorry if you're getting a little bored to just watch me. But you could be doing it at home, so you might not be bored. Another hole. So it's actually really easy to make one. It's not hard or anything. You just, it takes the longest just to make the long string. That's the part I don't like. You just have to grab one and pull. It's very annoying. So So yeah, I'm done. And if you do, so like I was doing this and then I saw I didn't have extra, oh, and I had extra, you can just take it off and yeah, so you got your little 6-sided thing. And what you can do is if you want to make like a pyramid or something, you can clip them together, but you don't have to do this, just a little cool thing you can do. And then you take the extra ones and you go up all the way, and then you have a little pyramid out of them. So that's just a little, another little experiment, I guess, thing. So yeah, that's your 6-sided thingy. So yeah, that is the end of this video. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.